Welcome, friends. Today we'll discuss about customer protection against agents acts. Today topic is insurance agent or broker. Yesterday we have discussed about mutual fund agents or distributor. So today we'll see what are the code of conduct as described by IRDA, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, and what a customer or a common man can do to protect himself. We'll see a case study also. So, first of all, let us see the code of conduct as defined by, as described by, or laid down by IRDA. Tell the investor which company he represents. This is the first thing. Whether he represents LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, or any other private agency, any agency whatsoever he or she represents, he should tell it. Second thing, he should show his license and ID card if an investor asks for it. Even if he is not asking, it is good to show and tell the customer he represents so and so insurance company. Third thing, recommend policy based on investors' needs. Before recommending, he should analyze customers' requirements, needs, his financial condition, and accordingly tailor-made or the policy which suits best for him or her should be recommended. Another thing, he should explain the details of that very policy, especially the specific point which can hurt a customer must be explained explicitly. If the customer or investor asks, he should explain the commission involved or commission he gets out of sale of this very policy. Another thing, he should explain the importance of policy and importance of disclosing correct information. In case of any incorrect information found later, the policy may be terminated and worst thing will happen, the investor will not get any compensation and lose money whatever invested, whatever he has already invested to the insurance agency. Another thing, or agent should not solicit any undue favor and he should not solicit any policy or any investor, prospective investor without getting business license, holding proper license. He should not give any wrong information for fear of rejection of his policy. He should give correct information and let the investor decide whether he wants to go with this policy or not. He should not offer different rate or anything unethical to any investor to get undue advantage. He should not misrepresent any terms and conditions as offered by the insurance company. He should give correct detail to prospective investor. He should not demand or receive any share of insurance proceeds. It is totally unethical if Any agent demands so, you should complain against them with that very insurance company. He should not force any existing policyholder to terminate and take another policy of your choice, of your interest, where you will get a commission. So these are the code of conduct for a agent. If you find violating any of these conduct, you should be away from such agents. At least you should be away from such agents. If you find bona fide agent, he is explaining and showing same thing in the prospectus or inside the policy documents, then only you should believe and take any insurance policy matching with your requirements needs. Better to check with multiple agents before buying any insurance policy. It must align with your requirement. You can find details of this policy at IRDA website also, www.irdaindia.org. If you have any complaint, you can complain to Ombudsman or Consumer Court. Let us see a case study. A 38-year-old Mr. T. Vijay Kumar has taken a policy Asa Deep on 1st January 1998. Accordingly, he paid premium, but the agent delayed and deposited the amount on 27th February 1998, and accordingly, policy was issued on 12th March 1998. So you can see here there is a delay, but now the worst thing started to unravel. It so it happened that one 1st February 1999, Mr. Kumar faced a renal problem. He was hospitalized and operated for renal failure on 18th February 1999. He claimed for his policy, but LIC declined on the ground that the disease was discovered within a year. But Mr. Kumar contended that he has paid the insurance amount, the premium amount, full amount on 1st January 1998. He filed a petition in District Redressal Forum, and where he got court favor. In his favor, the judgment was passed. But LIC didn't accept it and approached a state commission in 2002. Then a state commission gave the verdict in favor of LIC, not in favor of Kumar in June 2004, where LIC has contended that as the policy was issued on 12th March 1998 and the renal failure happened or detected on 1st February 99 and operated for the same 18th February 99. So it is within 1 year. And as per Apex Court decision, earlier decision, the date of issue will be sacrosanct, and it will be the date of enforcement of policy. So 1 year will be completed on 11th March 1999. But here this happened within that period. So it is within 1 year. And based on that, a state commission accepted his contention and ruled against Mr. Kumar. In the meantime, Mr. Kumar passed away. His daughter and wife filed a revised petition in the court to get at least the proceeds of the policy, but that was also denied by LIC. LIC contended that as the disease was observed or detected within 1 year, so policy was converted to endowment, and as per endowment policy rules, he was supposed to pay the premium amount each year. That didn't happen. So as premium amount not paid, so policy does not exist. It is expired. But court took moral stand, and based on moral stand, technically he cannot favor the aggrieved. So at least he took moral stand and directed the LIC. LIC is not a only profit making institute. He should also take care of social welfare. It is instituted or government has raised this institution for social welfare also, not work for profitability in a mechanical manner. So LIC should pay endowment policy. As per endowment policy, this proceeds. So ultimately, after 5 years of battle, his family was able to receive some compensation. Here, mistake of Mr. Kumar is that he didn't go through the policy documents, and he didn't realize that once it is found and it is found within year, it will be converted to endowment policy. Second thing, for medical illness, he should have taken health insurance, not life insurance. So here a lesson from us कि we should not believe any agent blindly. We should see within policy documents or let the agent show you कि whatever they are claiming that are described in policy document. If it is there, then only one should believe and take that very policy. If a agent fails to show there in within policy documents, you should not believe and should not take. And life insurance and health insurance is totally different thing. So we should take any insurance based on our needs and requirements. Don't mix both health, this life and health. This is from today. If you find some value, please subscribe to this channel and like also, and share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get some benefit. Thank you. Bye.